Hello my friends. I'm going to be doing a ring and ribbon pour with a twist. I'm using my polycrylic mix, which I like for ring and ribbon pours. The twist part is that I'm going to try to maintain some negative space on about a third of it and the ring pour on the other 2/3. And then I'll connect the two with ribbons. That's my plan anyway. And we'll see if it happens. If I don't like the way it looks, I'll just run off the negative space. So my colors today are Master's Touch Sky Blue, and then I've mixed lighter shades of it, one for the negative space, and then another one a little lighter, just to have a lighter value in my ring section, because I have Payne's Gray, which is quite dark. Then I have some Pearl Lime Green, and then this is some kind of mix, I don't know, some purpley magenta color that I thought might look pretty. So these are my ring pour colors, and I think they'll be lovely together. I did mix up some gold, but it just doesn't look right to me. I don't think I'm going to use it at all, because these are mostly cool colors. Even this magenta, it's a cool purpley kind of color. So I could have mixed up some silver, would make more sense with the palette, but I think I have enough here, so let's give it a try. Okay, I'm gonna put them in this order. All right, I think first I'll apply the negative space area and tilt it to get my coverage. Okay, saved a little bit of it. Okay, got a little gap there. Normally I would fill in the gaps later with a paintbrush, but because I custom mixed that color, I don't want to have a problem trying to match it later. In fact, I'm going to scoop up what I have there and put it back in the cup, because that's quite a bit of paint. This is why I generally do negative space or base coats off camera, because I like to conserve. And this takes time and it's not very entertaining. Okay. And now to fill this cup with my ribbon paints. I'm not even sure. I didn't have this labeled. I'm almost certain it's the polycrylic mix. I did smell it. Similar odor, and the consistency and all just feels like it. I think it is, but it's important to label your leftovers. I must have planned to use them sooner than I did. Probably thought I would remember, but I didn't. Okay, I'll probably get a couple layers of each color in here. 2 or 3 layers. Yeah, I've had in mind to do this for quite some time, so I'm excited to give it a go. I'm just getting a little tired of the same old, same old. Okay, one more layer. I should have saved a little of that. Oh well. The mystery color. Payne's Gray. Just love the drama of the Payne's Gray. The dark value just really helps add dimension and interest, I think. Okay. And here we go. Now I'm going to pour the ribbon pour, kind of a traveling thing, so I don't have any trouble covering the whole canvas. Make a bit of a spout here, and here we go. Look at that Payne's Gray, I love it. Okay. Oh dear, I forgot to I forgot to save some for the ribbons. Oh my gosh, I meant to save in the cup. Fortunately, I reserved a little bit, not much, in there. Oh. Well, while that relaxes a bit, let me go ahead and pour the rest of my paint in here for the ribbons. What a dodo. I can't believe I did that. Okay. Last one. The other thing is that when I do a traveling ring pour, usually it's interesting enough on its own. I don't need to add ribbons, and I forgot. Oh well. I really probably don't need ribbons on this section, but I'm going to do it because I can't leave that like that. So here we go. Move it around. Gosh, I love that right there. That's pretty. It kind of looks like a wave, an oddly colored wave, doesn't it? It's a lot of negative space. I'm going to bring the design up this way. A little more. Oh, look at that. I ran my hand across my drippy glove. Can I pour that off? Nah, it's okay. I'm going to run ribbons anyway, but not what I meant to do. Okay. Oh, my hands are a mess. I forgot my wet rag because I want to keep my gloves on in case I want to tilt some more. So I'll just wipe them off and hope for the best. Here we go. Now I'm going to run some ribbons. Pouring it off the canvas because all I see is solid blue. I want to. There we go. 1. 2. Oh, I wish I hadn't done that. How can I disguise that? Maybe I can kind of disguise it a little bit. One more. Maybe a couple more of those skinny ones. I like those. But where? Get some of that green going there. I know this is a lot of ribbons, my friends, but I'm going to run some down here, some skinny ones. Oh, okay. I think it's kind of fun. I didn't get a good thing going there, kind of stopped. So, but it's impossible to try to fix that and make it look good. So I'll leave it. I'll live with it. I like it. I'm going to turn it towards you the way I think this should be the bottom here. So let's turn it. There we go. Let's take a little closer look. Now these lines are going to stay put with the polycrylic mix. They won't change on me. And I'm happy about that. I like these kind of skinny crisscross lines there. That weird droopy thing I did is kind of disguised. And those pink fingers with the Payne's gray shadow looking thing is kind of an interesting area. Yeah, I think it's fun. It's different. Well, there we go, my friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.